Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 27, 2022 on Star Sudoku. 6th row, 7th row, column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, under column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column E, 5th row, we have 9. The 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. It can't come these cells. 7 and 9 will come any one of the cells. Third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column G, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, 4 numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 5. Third row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. The column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come any one of the cells. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 8. 8th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column F, and 5th grade, only 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 9. 5th row, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Fifth row and 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 9. Fourth grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 1 and 6, it will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed. 6 is confirmed here. Fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 5. Sixth row we have 2, so 2 can't come in these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column D we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 5. Fourth row we have 5 and 6, so 5 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in any one of the cells, then only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. It will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column H we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 8. Second row we have 1 and 8, so 1 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come any one of the cells, then only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Ninth grade we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Eighth row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here, then 6 is here. Eighth row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Eighth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 9. Ninth grade we have 1 and 9, so 1 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come any one of the cells, then only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column D we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column H we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 10th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 10th row we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column D we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come any one of the cell, we will confirm later. Column D we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 9. Column D, column H we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column H we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column D we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Third row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Second row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Second row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.